Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the exact place you'll enable safe browsing, the browser or device. You need to be signed into the account that controls settings. This makes the change persistent across devices. Once done, open Settings or Preferences right away, then locate Privacy or Security. These are the logical sections. Make sure your browser and operating system are updated so safe browsing definitions and protections are current, because outdated software can weaken protections and block features you expect. You now turn the protections on. In Privacy or Security, locate Safe Browsing or Threat Protection and choose a level. Pick Enhanced for stronger checks, Standard for fewer false positives. Toggle the main switch, then enable supporting features such as blocking dangerous downloads, site isolation, and phishing alerts so checks run on pages and files. Make sure to review permissions after enabling, because some sites may request additional access. Deny where unnecessary and whitelist only trusted domains. You finish by verifying the change immediately. Open a safe test page and a simulated warning page to confirm alerts appear. If you see nothing, clear cache and restart your browser, because cached files sometimes bypass new rules. If problems persist, temporarily disable extensions to check for conflicts. Many privacy add-ons block security prompts. Once you identify the offender, re-enable safe browsing and keep only compatible extensions. If needed, sign out and back in to sync settings across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.